Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we will understand ITP plumbing. Let's start.
Why ITP plumbing is important. ITP plumbing is critical because it controls the quality of plumbing installations. It defines inspection and testing stages. It prevents leakage, blockages, and rework. It ensures compliance with approved drawings and standards. That's why plumbing works must be executed with an approved ITP. What is an inspection and test plan ITP? An inspection and test plan ITP is a QA/QC document that defines inspection stages of an activity, required inspections and tests, acceptance criteria, responsible personnel, records to be maintained. What is ITP Plumbing Works? ITP Plumbing Works is an inspection and test plan prepared for water supply systems, drainage and sewer systems, sanitary fixture installation, plumbing testing and commissioning. It ensures safe, hygienic, and leak-free plumbing systems. Objective of ITP plumbing. Main objectives are ensure correct installation as per drawings, prevent water leakage and seepage, verify workmanship quality, maintain hygiene and health standards, provide documented quality evidence. Scope of ITP Plumbing Works. This ITP applies to cold and hot water supply piping, drainage and sewer piping, sanitary fixtures installation, testing and commissioning at all project locations. Types of inspection points in ITP. ITP plumbing includes hold point H, work cannot proceed without approval, witness point Q, inspection may be witnessed, review point R, documents submitted for review, surveillance S, continuous monitoring. Reference documents. Plumbing ITP shall comply with approved IFC drawings, shop drawings, project specifications, project quality plan PQP, approved method statements, relevant plumbing codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, QA/QC manager, ITP implementation, QA/QC engineer, inspection and documentation, plumbing engineer, execution, consultant client, inspection and approval. Inspection stages in ITP plumbing. Inspection stages include material inspection, installation inspection, testing inspection, final inspection before handover. Testing requirements in ITP plumbing. Common tests include hydrostatic pressure test, leakage test, drainage flow test, disinfection test. Records maintained. Records include inspection requests, IR, test reports, material approval documents, as-built records. Relation between ITP and method statement. Method statement defines how work is executed. ITP defines when and what to inspect and test. Both documents are mandatory for quality control. ISO and QA/QC compliance. ITP plumbing supports ISO 9001 quality management system, project QA/QC requirements. Conclusion. Inspection and test plan ITP Plumbing Works ensures controlled quality execution, leak-free plumbing systems, compliance with specifications, smooth project handover. If this video helped you understand inspection and test plan ITP Plumbing Works clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge.